guys, I'm going to show you this new A2 universal remote that I just got. It can completely replace your Apple remote for your Apple TV, which is so nice. It comes in this really sleek, nice black material, and up close it has your typical remote settings, your power button, your mute button, volume control, your direction pad, your menu button, and your play and pause button.
Here is an up close of the buttons on the remote. Notice you can see the power, volume, and control pad.
This remote comes with two AAA batteries that you just put into the back. And then the back of the remote slides on very easily. And to open it, you just push up. To pair your universal remote with your Apple TV, there's a couple of things you can do. For me, it automatically paired, and all I had to do was press the menu button, and it would work for my TV. You notice I'm able to move around and select whatever is necessary. If, for whatever reason, that will not work for your TV, if you have to unpair a remote, you are going to press the menu button, and the left icon of the moving pad and hold those down like that for more than 6 seconds. This is a great universal remote to use with any Apple TV, and the nice thing is that it uses batteries, so you don't have to try to find a charging cable or charge it. You can just use the batteries. It is important to note that this is not a touchpad and it is not a Siri remote, and it does not have voice control.